Okay, guys, we are in the sourdough challenge with me, Laura, and Food Prude here. So what we need to get ready on day one is a quart jar or something similar like this. Not plastic. I would like it to be glass. I do have a plastic lid. You can use a coffee filter at first is usually what I suggest, or some cheesecloth on top. I'll make the list exactly what you need below. It's super simple. So you just need a jar. You're gonna need flour and water. That's it. A jar, flour, and water. Or a big spoon. I use a spatula because it helps stir it a little bit better and stuff like that. But that's what we're going to need to get started for day one is a jar, flour, and water. Water, I would like it to be not city water, so because that has fluoride in it. I'm an anti-fluoride person, and so I don't want that. So if you need to buy distilled or spring water, use your tap water, that's cool. I use a Berkey, that's the kind of water I use. So that's kind of water I suggest. And then the flour, I'm always only going to just suggest organic flour. I just want an all-purpose flour. If you are doing a gluten-free one, which you can follow along for the whole starter as well, when you start getting into some of the recipes though, I am not as versed with the gluten-free, but I can give you some suggestions in that as well. So I just want all-purpose, unbleached white flour. It needs to be organic. The stuff, say if you get that super, super cheap white flour from a big box store, it has been bleached. It has absolutely no ingredient or nutrition value whatsoever. So you might as well just eat cardboard. Yes, I am a prude. I said it. So I need organic, all-purpose flour. You can use any kind of flour, to be honest. You can start with brown rice flour if you want to do gluten-free. You can do an ancient grain. You could do any of your wheat berries. You could do whole wheat flour, anything like that. It just needs to be organic and unbleached. So I get. We have a Costco membership. They've got 10-pound bags and a 2-pack. That is a great flour. That is a great all-purpose organic flour that I highly suggest. Or there's always King Arthur. I get all my flour now from Azure Standard because I do a lot of wheat berries that I grind up. I still do buy some white flour as well because I do a 2/3 to a 1/3 thing for most of my recipes that I make here at home. But so that's what we need to start. Jar, a lid, coffee filter. It could be a hard lid like this. It could be cheesecloth. I mean, it's just whatever you have on hand is cool. Just any kind of glass jar, and then like a spatula or a large spoon that you'll be able to stir down water and flour. That's how easy it's going to be to get this sourdough started, and then you're going to see what we do every single day. Super easy, super fun. So let's get started. Get those things ready because we're about to start.